The silver thread. Once upon a time, in a quiet mountain village nestled between snowy peaks, there lived an old weaver named Tara. She wasn't rich, nor did she own a big shop, but everyone in the valley came to her for one thing: her shawls. Tara's shawls were beautiful, red as bright as cherries, blue as deep as the river, greens like the pine forests. But what made them truly magical were not the colors. It was a single, shining silver thread that she wove into every piece of cloth. No matter how bright or dark the colors of the yarn, that silver thread glimmered gently in the light, as if a piece of moon had been caught in the weave. People said that the shawl carries blessings, warmth in the cold, courage in times of trouble, and joy in moments of celebration. One day, a wealthy merchant from the city came to Tara. He looked at the shawls and frowned. Why waste so much time on that thin silver strand? It looks ordinary. I want a shawl without it. Give me bright colors only and I'll pay you double. Tara smiled kindly. The silver thread is not a decoration. It's the heart of the cloth. It holds the colors together. But the merchant laughed. Old woman, you don't understand business. People want brilliance, not some dull silver line. So Tara, though her hands hesitated, agreed to weave one shawl without the silver thread. She gave it to him and he strutted away proudly. At first, the shawl looked dazzling, a riot of colors brighter than any other. The merchant wore it at feasts, showing off how fine it was. But as weeks passed, the colors began to fade and the threads loosened. Without the silver holding it firm, the cloth lost its strength. Meanwhile, in every home in the valley, Tara's silver thread shawls continued to shine. Grandmothers passed them down to granddaughters. Families wrapped themselves in their warmth during winters. The silver thread never lost its glow. It tied together not just the cloth but also stories, memories, and love. At last, the merchant returned to Tara, his once bright shawl now frayed and dull. Bowing his head, he said, I see it now. Wealth and glitter may fade, but what shines from within never dims. Tara smiled, placing in his hands a new shawl. The silver thread gleamed softly through every color. This is the true Jubilee weave. The silver celebrates life by holding everything together. And from that day, her shawls became famous far and wide, not for their colors, but for that single silver thread that never lost its strength. Like Tara's silver thread, it is consistency, sincerity, and inner values that give life its lasting beauty. Celebrations may come and go, but what shines from within, hope, kindness, imagination, is the true silver that never fades.